Hi there! In this video, I will be guiding you through how to add a user on Google Workspace using the admin console so new team members can sign in quickly. So first, you will have to go to admin.google.com and go ahead and sign in with a user who has user management privileges. So make sure that that user do has that privileges before proceeding to the next steps. And then next, you will have to go to directory, then users, and then click add new user, which is the plus button icon. Then after that, you will just have to fill in the first name, the last name, the primary email, and optionally a secondary email. Then you will have to set the initial password or let Google generate one. Check the box require password change on first sign in. Then you will assign the user to the proper organizational unit, which is on the left panel, and add groups or roles if necessary. Finally, click Add and copy the sign-in details to send securely to the new user. Advise them to set up two-step verification. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope this video was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.